Okay, so this is what I've been using, which is um, a motor that I pretty much took out, the part that I took out of a meter saw, you know, um, from Rigid, which is a very good, you know, very good, probably one of the best uh, electric motors that I ever see. Very, very good. But the problem is that, when you're going to work with pieces like this is a 12 feet long um, tree that I actually uh, do the milling with. And, I cut this side right here, and then I did the bottom part, and I did this other side. Okay. So it did very good, but the problem is it's really too much for that. It's just not. It's not strong enough. However, as I was saying before in the beginning, uh, you can do 6 feet, about 6 feet of this, and you can do 6 feet, and it will work without any inconvenience. You will have no problem. 4, 5, 6 feet, a milling a piece of wood, it will do. But in this case, and I will show you. I can grab my tape measure and show you the total length of this thing. And as you can see, it's 12 feet. Okay, so 12 feet long. Uh, and you have to cut at least, you know, 4 or 5 pieces out of it. So really, the main issue is that the power is not it's not strong enough, and they get overheated. So the first one that I used was the uh, um, a chainsaw, electric chainsaw, um, and sorry enough, it didn't work out with that. And again, it can be done with small pieces of wood, but not with large pieces like I do. And then I use this one. So I was trying to avoid the idea of using a gasoline engine, but I have pretty much I got to the point that I don't think I'm gonna have any choice. Um, and so right now I have somebody and a family member of um, my wife have a uh, give me a little while back this motor right here, which is it's an old uh, Bridge Stratton 5 horsepower, and of course it's not in in a very good shape. It's been kind of sit around for a while and in a barn. And but anyway, I just bring it here, and I figure, well, let's see if it got some compression and see how in what shape it is inside. And what I did, I just decided, well, you know what, I'm going to get this thing working. And what I did, I just tried a little bit of carburetor, choke cleaner, and put it in there on the carburetor. And I just pulled this thing, and one pull, and this thing just boom, 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 come on, start running without no problem. And if it runs in this condition, which you can see right now, it's like I said, it's been sitting around probably, I would say, I don't know, maybe 15 years or something like that, or maybe longer than that. It's an interesting thing. I had no idea what this type of uh, cycle engine. The first cycle engine is Bridge Stratton. It's pretty good. It's made in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, U.S. And but this is the interesting part. It's this magnetron bridge in Stratton. So I have no idea what it is, but I'm gonna find out because I'm gonna take it apart, and you guys can actually see me doing this. And well, if you like this video, it's gonna be entertaining, I think. for those people that like this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna take this thing apart and clean it up and pretty much put it back to work. And then somehow find a solution to incorporate this engine right here and exchange it for that right there for this thing and put that in there. And so I'm gonna have to build some type of a device like I did with this one. Maybe use the same one. I don't know. And of course, I had an issue with the axles right here. It has one pulley right here. It also has the axle right there, and this pulley is there right there. But I don't know. This is part of the engine, so this turned together with it. So I'm probably gonna have to do some type of work in here to grab Hercules, the Hercules um, beam cutter that I use to put the chainsaw in it. So anyway, so here it goes. Let's just start taking this thing apart.